Welcome to Quail Hollow Middle School's virtual open house. This is the 8th grade math department. First things first, let's meet our teachers. Mr. Christner will be teaching 8th grade math. Mrs. Gray will be teaching both 8th grade math and Math 1. Mr. Stone will be teaching 8th grade math and Math 2. And these teachers will be supporting both you Falcons and the teachers. Please say hello to Mrs. Blue, Ms. Young, Mr. Powell, and Mrs. Teetsort. Keep in mind, during this virtual learning, you will have potentially all of the teachers at some point, so you will get to know them well. The first thing I kind of want to touch on now that we've gotten the teachers passed is how this semester looks much different than the spring if you were a Falcon then. We are excited to see you each and every day, so you will have math every day. That looks a lot different than in the past. With the time to prepare for virtual experience, again, it will look differently than the spring. We will have feedback and give grades on all assignments, and you will have workbooks to use along with the Canvas course, which is very similar to what you've seen before. This is new for all of us, so please remember to stay positive, and that we're in this together and we'll learn and grow in math. Now for attendance. Attendance is expected. You will have a total of 60 minutes in class for math. 30 minutes will be synchronous with your teacher. 30 minutes will be asynchronous, something that your teacher will give you and assign for you to do. Again, grades will be given for every assignment and all assessments. Teachers will be contacting families throughout remote learning to ensure you have access to content and need any additional supports to help this learning process go as smoothly as possible. If for any reason your telephone, email, any of your communication changes, please let your teachers know so that it can be updated quickly. Again, we will be contacting all families during this time. I also want to highlight that your math teachers will not respond to any text or emails after 6 p.m. unless that arrangement has been made in advance. Keep in mind, though we'd love to support you 24 hours a day, we cannot. We have our own lives and families that we also have to take care of. But again, we are here to help. So as soon as you have an issue or any concerns, let your teacher know so that way it can be solved as quickly as possible. Again, we will be using Canvas. This will house our course for the 2020-21 school year. If you need to directly find the Canvas, document that bit.ly, which I'm hovering over right now, and write that down so you can access it quickly. Take a moment to see some of the concepts Math 8 will be learning. Pause your video if you would like to read them through. Here are the concepts Math 1 students will be learning. Again, feel free to pause the video and read through them. And here is the semesters broken down for Math 2. First semester, geometry. Second semester, algebra and probability. Again, feel free to pause the video and review the information that fits you best. Lastly, I want to touch on that you have open house requirements that are due. Please go to the Quail Hollow Middle School's website, select the open house tab, and complete all of those documents needed. If you have any questions, here's contact information for the teachers that will be supporting you as a Falcon in 8th grade math. We have phone numbers listed for you as well if you need to contact us. Please do not hesitate to ask any questions or concerns that you may have. We are here to support you as best as we can. Thank you so much for your time, and we look forward to seeing you this school year.